Okay, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install the latest version of Gcam, because I've seen in some comments that they're requesting how to install the latest version. I'll put a link in the description. All you have to do is download Gcam on that link, and as soon as you download it, as you can see, it says here it's the final build. So just install it as normal. I've been using this Gcam app for about 1 week, and I can say that the details are more crisp than the regular stock cam. Even the night sight is far way more better than the regular night sight of the stock cam. So the only issue I've seen which is not working is the Avengers AR and the Gambino AR, but for the other ARs it's all working. So you have installed it already. Just look for it in your app, Gcam. Just allow. So there, as you can see, it's working. Night sight, camera, playground, there. So hope you like it. As soon as I get the other ARs working, I'll be updating the link so that you can enjoy the full version of Gcam. So thanks again for watching. Click the like and subscribe button, and until next time.